Welcome to Math Quiz 6. Here goes the first question. How much is 200% of 200? %200% is just the double of the figure. 100% is the actual figure. When it's 200%, you add it up again, double it. It is 400. In case you have invested 100 rupees in a business and you get 200 rupees, then the profit what you have got is 200%. Next. If x is A and y is B, then x plus y whole squared is you replace the algebraic values here. X is replaced by A, y is replaced by B, and it becomes A plus B whole squared. Go for the identity. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Third question. The value of x to the power 5 is 20 and y to the power 5 is 30. Then 3x raised to 5 plus 4y raised to 5 is x raised to 5 is 20. So substitute the value here. It is 3 into 20, it is 60. Here it is 4, y raised to 5 is 30, 4 into 30, it is 120. 60 plus 120 is 180. Question number 4. If x squared is 25, then 25x is, find out the value. X squared is 25. How much is x? It is 5. Substitute here. 25 into 5. It is 125. Next question. The value of 3 by 4 plus 4 by 3 is these two terms have unlike denominators. Here is 4, here is 3. You have to go for the LCM, least common multiple. For 4 and 3, it is 12. So the denominator is 12 now when you add them up. Here 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Here 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 9 plus 16, it is 25. So the answer is 25 over 12. Next question. The ratio between 60 and 90 is ratio in a way, it's a fraction. It can be expressed in the form of a fraction. 60 by 90. Simplify it. Cancel the zeros. It becomes 6 by 9. Cancel it further. Divide by 3, both the numerator and the denominator. Then it becomes 2 by 3. 2 is to 3. Next. If 5.5 minus x is 0.5, then root of 5x is Look here, 5.5 minus x is 0.5. Let's bring 0.5 this side. It becomes 5.5 minus 0.5 plus becomes minus, it becomes 5. Minus x, let us take to the right side. So that becomes plus. X is 5. What we want is root of 5x. Root of 5x. So 5 into 5, its root we need. Root is 5. Answer is 5. If x is 3 and y is 9, then 11 into y minus x squared over 4 is here. Start substituting and work out. Y is 9, x is 3, y minus x is 9 minus 3, that is 6. So 6 squared, it is 36. 6 6 are 36. 36 divided by 4, it is 9. 11 multiplied by 9, answer is 99. Next, the value of 100 decimal point 999 minus 99.895 is equal to subtract one from the other. 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 100 minus 99 is 1. So the answer is 1.104. Next, 10th question. If the area of a circle is 154 square centimeters, then the radius of the circle is here. You know the area of the circle. It is 154. What you want to find out is the radius. So 154 has to be divided by pi. The value of pi is 22 over 7. Now the problem stands at 154 by pi. That will give you the radius. 154 by 22 over 7. That becomes 154 by 22 multiplied by 7. Cross multiplication. Now 154 divided by 22. You work it out. 22 7 times is 154. 22 7 times. So it is 7 into 7. R squared is equal to 7 into 7. What is R? R is 7. Next, if x is 121 by x, then 5x is x is 121 by x. Now by cross multiplication it becomes x squared is equal to 121. X is equal to 11. 5x is equal to 11 into 5. It is 55. Next. Now Raju's age is 10 years, remember, and his brother's age is 7 years. After 5 years, his brother's age is brother's age is 7 plus 5 after 5 years. It's 12 years. Raju's age has nothing to do with it. Brother's age is given 7 years. How old he will be after 5 years, you are asked. So 7 plus 5 is 12 years. Next, 13th one, square root of 16 into 64 minus 39 is simplify 64 minus 39, 39, 49, 59, 64, 25. So this becomes 25. 16 into 25. Root of 16 is 4. Root of 25 is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. Next, if 20% of x is 50, then x is look, 20% is equated with 50. You have to find out how much is 100%. 5 times 50 into 5 is 250. 20% is 1/5 of 10%. Next, Shyam is 5 years elder, 5 years elder than Raju, and Raju's age is 15 years. Then Shyam's age is it's reading this statement and getting it understood well. 20 years. Say Raju's age is 15 years. Shyam is 5 years elder to Raju. It is 15 plus 5, 20 years. Next, the value of 11 into a to the power 5 plus 9a to the power 5 over 2a cubed is see a to the power 5 plus 9a to the power 5. When you write a to the power 5, it means 1a raised to 5. Add them up, it is 10a raised to 5. 10a raised to 5. Now divide by 2a cubed. 10a power 5 divided by 2a power 3. 10 by 2 is 5. A raised to 5 divided by a raised to 3 is a squared. So it is 5 a raised to 2. A raised to 2 multiplied by 11. 55 a squared. 55 a raised to 2 or a squared. Next, least common multiple of 25, 30 and 35 is to do this mentally is a bit challenging, but just analyze it. 25, what are its factors? It is 5 into 5. 30, 5 into 6. 35, 5 into 7. 5 into 5, 5 into 6, 5 into 7. So what are the factors of these? 5, 6, 7, and there is a common factor 5. Common factor 5. 5 into 6 is 30. 30 into 7 is 210. The common factor is there. 210 into 5, that will be 1050. 1050. Now 1050 is the LCM. Next, 18th question. If the cost of a watch is increased from rupees 500 to rupees 600, the shopkeeper raises it. Then its increased cost percent is, you have to tell in terms of percentage. The cost increase is rupees 100. Rupees 100 over 500. So what is the percentage now? 100 over 500, it is 1/5 or it is 20%. If you are going to express it as a part of 100, it is 20. So the answer is 20%. 19th question. The square root of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is it's a matter of identity. It is a plus b. This works out to be a plus b whole squared. Now the square root is a plus b. Last question. Highest common factor of 35 and 90 is highest common factor is HCF. It is 5. 5 7s are 5 18s are 18 times it goes. You don't have a higher number which gets divided in both 35 and 90. This is the highest common factor of these two numbers. It is 5. Thank you.